Most of mine's gone, but when I was younger, I wrote a great deal of poetry.
I wrote a couple really
Peter,
good ones.
Peter, sing something.
Misplaced.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never come to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all days light unsigned?
I saw a cowboy dressed all in white satin, dressed in white satin, and so as to play.
Good King Wendell went to town on the feast of Stevens.
I don't feel like.
Wait, I don't think it's getting lit here.
Really
I know, the cicada's just gonna be completely...
It's just enveloped in ash.
Here we go.
Throw some more poems under him.
More.
Come on, baby.
Throw more poetry on top of this cicada.
I feel like we're just gonna. Okay, well, where is the you? There it is. I got it.
Yeah, get toasted up.
Toast it up a little bit. Always. Ow.
Play the fight.
I wanna be with you and make believe
Sing a sad song.
I wanna be where the people are.
Take me to the valley. There lay the sod or me.
I feel like this is
Old Main River.
Old Man.
Old Man River, he don't say nothing.
He just keeps rolling. Alright.
That's such a great one.
It's just not working at all.
Give
All right.
my regards
Yeah,
to
it's a bit
Broadway.
I'm just gonna
Your
take.
poems are too wet.
I'm just gonna take the cicada.
Your poems are too wet to burn.
Get it here.
I should use that in a poem.
Poems are
Please do.
too wet.
I desperately await the day when I hear that at a poetry reading.
This is
Right,
this is
poems are
pretty
wet.
ridiculous, guys. This is
Thank
not. The cicada is a body. It's not.
It smells like a marshmallow.
It's not really lighting up the fire.
Just gonna make some s'mores with that cicada.
This is pretty ridiculous. If I take it away, it's not even on fire that much. I'm really just toasting this cicada in front of you, like this is like some sort of weird.
It's gonna be bad when that thing just pops like a piece of popcorn. And
Its juices explode that are super heated.
Face.
They're pressurized enough to burst through its exoskeleton.
Out, burning.
Scalding hot cicada juice.
Acid blood.
Here, switch lighters, man. This one's nice and cool.
Smart. You're a smart man. How'd you get this smart?
When you look at it.
I burned a lot of things as a child.
This isn't my first burn.
See, it's all dome.
One honor of that wicked statue.
Remember that the last
Well, I think you went out. You
time.
gotta get that one stuff on top of the flame on that one.
Yeah.
My oh my.
I feel kind of smart.
Oh Lord, look on the bright side of death.
We're really just like.
There we go.
Here we go.
Just before you draw your terminal breath.
You guys. So, what point did your parents show you Monty Python's The Meaning of Life? If it was your parents.
I don't think it was my parents.
No, it was definitely not my
I
parents.
watched that with like Joe Verson, that would be my guess.
Hey, holy grail at school.
Talked to Joe at all lately?
No, I mean I've never.
That was the life of Brian, guys.
He's not the most
Sweet.
talk. He's not a talker
Yeah,
on the
phone
phone.
talker.
He's the first person I call whenever I'm in town.
There we go.
It's a shoe.
Really burning this paper.
Fuck you, poems.
This is what you get.
Well, that's how I feel.
And the magic's over. Alright.
And somehow we lost.
Nope. There we go. This is the highlight of my day. You guys,
What did you guys
missed out.
do today?
You
Not only burned some poems in this.
You missed out on the tripart reading of Dante's Purgatorio.
Yeah, there was a horn playing and there was an Italian guy.
It was messed up and not that interesting.
It was amazing.
Well, thank you, Dave.
Also, it's also amazing that Angela has like a full-on shepherd's crook.
Yeah, that was
Like, where do you
a
get
lot.
that? Like, where
I
do
just
you?
always had it.
Goodwill.
No, I feel like you gotta steal that from like a Joseph,
shepherd?
like a fucking like a nativity scene, you know, from in front of a church. Like, you don't just run into a shepherd's crook.
I'm trying to think of any kind of department store you could buy a shepherd's crook.
Yeah.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Shepherdsonly.com.
That's Scottish
Shepherd's
pimp
Plus.
Maybe just like
Did you say a Scottish pimp?
Goodwill doesn't have that much.
A shifty Welshman you run into on the street.
Oh, fucking Scottish.
A bishop? Anybody? A
It's the
bishop?
male lingerie for what he's selling.
I've got plenty of bitches.
All right, guys, we burned that cicada. Not really.
It's probably just
You're
still
using a
sitting
clipboard.
right in the middle.
We're only
Fine.
angering it.
And Dave is recording it.
Sounds the last flicker of
That's
flame.
When you're going there to rent or lease or whatever he calls it, just like you use a cliff or a fence. We got a couple different. A cliff or a fence? Hell no. Put their front paws over my shoulders. I don't want to miss out on the kisses.
The Southern Shepherd. The Southern Shepherd sodomite.